The Supreme Court has stayed the implementation of the University Grants Commission's 2026 equity regulations, saying the rules appear vague and could have serious consequences for society. The court has ordered that the 2012 anti-discrimination regulations will continue for now. The Centre and the UGC have been asked to file responses, and the case is listed for hearing on March 19th. A bench led by Chief Justice Suryakant and Justice Joymalia Baghchai said the regulations could be misused and may create divisions. The court said the language of some provisions was unclear and required expert review. It also warned that poorly framed rules could have dangerous social impact. The challenge focused on the definition of caste-based discrimination in the new rules. Petitioners argued that the regulations mainly protected SC, ST, and OBC groups and did not extend protection to others. The court took note of these concerns while examining the constitutional validity of the framework. The UGC introduced the 2026 regulations to strengthen anti-discrimination mechanisms in higher education institutions. The framework included measures such as equity committees, equal opportunity centers, and complaint redress systems aimed at preventing caste-based discrimination on campuses. The stay comes amid protests and political reactions across the country. Some groups said the regulations could be misused and affect the academic environment, while others said stronger safeguards were needed to address discrimination in universities.